Hi, Joseph. Thanks for joining us today. Let's discuss some of the new apps, systems, and features that most software companies are using to enhance their workday. What are some of the tools you've used or are excited about?
Thank you for having me. I'm excited to discuss this topic. In my experience, tools like Jira and Trello have been invaluable for project management and tracking progress. They help teams stay organized and ensure that tasks are completed efficiently. Additionally, communication tools like Slack and Microsoft Teams have transformed how teams collaborate, especially in a remote work environment.
Those are definitely popular tools. How about for coding and development? Any particular systems or features you find most helpful?
Absolutely. For coding, integrated development environments, IDEs, like Visual Studio Code and IntelliJ IDEA are game changers. They provide a wide range of extensions and plugins that enhance productivity. Version control systems like GitHub and GitLab are also crucial for managing code repositories and facilitating collaborative development. Features like continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD pipelines, which tools like Jenkins and CircleCI offer, are essential for maintaining code quality and speeding up the release process.
Great points. What about for enhancing productivity and ensuring quality?
For productivity, time management tools like Toggle and Asana help track work hours and manage projects effectively. Automated testing tools like Selenium and JUnit ensure that the code is reliable and meets quality standards. Additionally, code review tools like Crucible and SonarQube provide valuable insights and help maintain code quality by identifying bugs and security vulnerabilities early in the development process.
It's clear you have a broad understanding of these tools. How do you stay updated with the latest trends and technologies in the software industry?
I make it a point to follow tech blogs, attend webinars, and participate in online courses and certifications. Platforms like Coursera and Udemy offer great courses on the latest technologies. Additionally, I'm active in developer communities on GitHub, Stack Overflow, and Reddit, where I can learn from other professionals and stay updated with the latest industry trends.
Excellent. Finally, how do you think these tools and technologies will evolve in the future to further enhance productivity and collaboration?
I believe we'll see more integration of AI and machine learning into these tools to automate repetitive tasks and provide more intelligent insights. For example, AI-driven code completion and bug detection can significantly speed up the development process. Additionally, as remote work becomes more prevalent, tools that enhance virtual collaboration and communication will continue to evolve, making it easier for teams to work together seamlessly from anywhere in the world.
Thank you, Joseph. It's clear you're well-versed in the tools and technologies that enhance software development. We'll be in touch soon.
Thank you for the opportunity. I'm excited about the possibility of contributing to your team.